Jai Shri Radhe Krishna friends, Jai Jagannath, Jai Jagannath. Friends, today we will discuss in previous class we have discussed creativity, innovation, entrepreneurship to some level of entrepreneurship. So today we will discuss after from that, like from we have just finished in the previous class, we will continue from now. Previous class we were on the innovation, and from innovation, particularly on improvements. So we would start from the improvements topic. So when we were talking about the innovation, it's just up to improvements. So innovation often leads to improvements over existing products, processes, or services. It seeks to enhance efficiency, effectiveness, and overall performance. Risk-taking innovators often take calculated risk as they venture into the uncharted territory. Not all innovations succeed, but risk-taking is essential for making breakthroughs. Market adoption. For an innovation to be successful, it must find acceptance and adoption in the market or the relevant domain. It should meet the demands and preferences of its intended users or customers. It's a continuous process. Innovation is an ongoing and iterative process. Sorry, it's not iterative, it's iterative process. It involves constant evaluation, refinement, and adaptation to changing circumstances and feedback. Innovation can be driven by individuals, teams, or entire organizations. It often requires collaboration, research, experimentation, and a willingness to embrace change. Innovation can have a profound impact on economies, societies, and the way people live and work. Companies that prioritize innovation are more likely to stay competitive, adapt to market dynamics, and lead their respective industries. See, in a company, that is more important to stay competitive, be in market. So companies which prioritize innovation are more likely to stay competitive. Governments and institutions also promote innovation through policies, through policies. It could be in the way of funding and initiatives to foster progress in societal development. So till now we have just finished innovation. Creativity, we have already discussed creativity, we have discussed innovation, we have discussed. Now we will move forward to entrepreneurship. See, what is entrepreneurship? Entrepreneurship is the process of identifying, creating, and pursuing opportunities to establish a new business, venture, or organization with the aim of achieving financial profit and or making a positive impact on society. It is just about, it is just it is just, you could say, it is just for the individuals who initiate and lead these efforts, often taking significant risks and responsibilities to bring their ideas to fruition. Entrepreneurship plays a crucial role in driving economic growth, job creation, and innovation. We have already seen in our society that for economic growth, job creation, and innovation, who are the main persons involved? They are mainly, you could say, entrepreneurs, or entrepreneurship is the main key or the process. They exclude the process, execute the process which is mainly required for this. Now, talking about the key aspects of entrepreneurship, then innovation. Entrepreneurs are known for their ability to innovate and come up with new and creative ideas. They identify gaps in the market, address unmet needs, or create novel products or services. Risk taking. Starting a new business involves inherent risks, including financial investment, uncertainty in the market, and potential for failure. See, risk taking is very, very important because whenever you start a new business, it has risks. It could be failure or it could be success, and but risk taking will so it could be failure. It maybe so entrepreneurs are willing to take calculated risk to pursue their vision because we have to we are taking just one organization behind us, so we have to like very calculated risks. It's up to society. It could be societal beneficial too if you succeed. Could benefit to whole society. Not talking about the next. next key aspect, that is vision and leadership. Successful entrepreneurs have a clear vision for their venture. They have a clear vision for their venture and the ability to inspire and lead their team toward achieving their desired goals. Talking about the adaptability, the business landscape can be unpredictable and dynamic. Entrepreneurs must be flexible and adaptive to changing market conditions and consumers' demand. Adaptability is about the flexible. Like it should be flexible, and if like you should have to change your conditions, your evolution according to market. Like during COVID, some products like uh, sanitizers, or you could say masks, that they were, and many more things that were recorded in the society. So like it should be like whenever any situation comes like this, then company should adjust to make change. Like it should be flexible enough. Now talking about the next key aspect, that is persistence and resilience. Entrepreneurship often comes with challenges and setbacks. See, whenever we start a work, that is definitely challenge and setbacks. The ability to persevere through obstacles and back from failures is critical for success. See, when you uh, try for something, achieve for something, then you have to face through some obstacles. You could be you could get failed, but bouncing back from failures is critical for success. Like learning from one's mistake is a great success. Next aspect is market knowledge. Entrepreneurs need to understand their target market, customer preferences, and industry trends to create a product or services that meet customer needs effectively. You might have listened this thing that this thing is going in trend now. This is trending. This is latest. So one entrepreneur should have market knowledge, that customer preferences, and like that meet customers need effectively. Now taking another aspect, networking. Building relationships with potential customers, suppliers, investors, and other stakeholders is essential for the growth and success of the vendor. See, whenever we start a work, whenever you start anything, then do you, or like one single person can hold all the things. See, it could be quite little difficult. There could be like one would be stakeholder, one would be like telling, or you could say pursuing all the information about the market, transferring to the market, and the person whom we are dealing with. Then one should have enough networking connection, because it is a very essential for growth and success of the venture. Talking about the resource management, entrepreneurs must effectively manage resources, including finances, time, and human capital. You have to human capital is about money, but human capital is about your workers, your employers. So you have to manage that resource to ensure the efficient operation of their business. If you want to operate your business good well, then you have to ensure your human capital. So finally, we have completed creativity, innovation, and entrepreneurship. Now, having a little summary, our lecture is getting a little bit longer. Like our first lecture about 7 minutes, but it would take hardly 1 or 2 minutes. So we're just covering creativity, innovation, and entrepreneurship in a nutshell. So just going on it. Creativity refers to the ability to generate new ideas or concepts and to think outside the box. It is a crucial skill for innovation and problem solving. Creativity refers to the ability to generate new ideas, concepts, and solutions. It involves thinking outside the box and breaking away from the conventional patterns of the thought. Breaking away from conventional patterns of thought. What we have just in our mind, we have to just think outside the box. It's sort of the creativity. Now talking about innovation. Innovation is the process of transforming creative ideas into practical solutions that have value and can be implemented in the real world. Innovation, on the other hand, involves applying creative ideas to practical problems and developing new products, services, or processes that add value to the customers. So it is like applying creative ideas to practical problem and developing new product, services, or processes that add value to the customers, like that are adding value to existing things. Now, entrepreneurship is the ability to identify and pursue business opportunities by developing and implementing innovative solutions. Entrepreneurship involves identifying opportunities and taking risks to create and grow a new business venture. These three factors are closely interrelated and essential for creating growing successful businesses. Creativity is the starting point for innovation, and entrepreneurship is a driving force behind turning innovative ideas into the profitable ventures. Without these three factors, business can become stagnant and fail to keep up with the ever-changing demands of the marketplace. Creativity and innovation are essential components of entrepreneurship. Entrepreneurs must be creative to come up with new business ideas and innovative solutions to the problems. Innovation is the process of turning creative ideas into practical solutions. Without innovation, creative ideas can remain as abstract concepts that never get implemented. So, entrepreneurship provides a context and opportunity for creativity and innovation. Now, the relationship between creativity, innovation, and entrepreneurship. In short, creativity, very important line, keep this thing like remind. Creativity sparks innovation and innovation fuels entrepreneurship. Together, these three factors create a virtuous cycle that drives economic growth, job creation, and societal development. Understanding the relationship between these factors is critical for developing and implementing successful business strategies that will lead to sustainable growth and success. Entrepreneurship is a bridge that connects creativity and innovation to the marketplace. Entrepreneurs identify market opportunities and take risks to develop and commercialize new products, services, or processes. They are willing to challenge the status quo and disrupt established markets, and they have the vision, drive, and passion to turn their ideas into reality. In summary, creativity, innovation, and entrepreneurship are interdependent and complementary factors that drive economic growth, create jobs, and improve our lives. They are essential for companies to stay competitive and for individuals to create new opportunities for themselves and for others. So, talking as a whole, we have just completed creativity, innovation, entrepreneurship. Next class, we will move next step to this what we have studied today. So, hope if you have liked the video, like, share, and subscribe our channel. Jai Shri Radhe Krishna, Jai Shri Radhe Krishna, Jai Shri Ram Hanuman, Jai Shri Radhe Krishna. Radhe Radhe everyone, Radhe Radhe everyone.